Hi guys, hi friend. Today I show you this size 16 for kids. This one is a big design, futuristic design with the sport rim. Sport rim use a seal bearing. Okay, seal bearing. Okay, this one is a solid tire. So no need maintenance. What I like the design is a bit like futuristic design. All these are alloy. It's also alloy. Okay. And what I like is the seat. See the seat with the seat. This one seat posts are a bit like arrow design. Yeah, but it's for kids the design is quite nice. Okay, what I like is another one is the internal cable. Wow, internal cable. And then what's special about this all the brakes. Do you notice the brake? The brake is hidden. Okay, so you see the brake here. Come, let us see the brake. See? Wow, something special for this bike. Okay, so this bicycle is suitable for age 4 to 6 years old. Okay, training wheel can be removed, and this model have a few colors. Okay, if you all like, please let us know. Thank you for viewing our video. Thank you.